Welcome to the inaugural edition of the Telegraph Young Metro Axiom, the Excellence Quiz League 2026, presented by Sister Nivedita University and powered by National High School and Supertron. Adamus World School, Barashat, please be on stage. Apex Academy, Mohishadol, Purbo Medinipur. Asian International School, Howrah. BDM International, Birla High School, Mukundapur. Delhi Public School, Ruby Park, Gokhale Memorial Girls School. Griffins International School, Kharagpur. KE Kamil School, Amtola. MP Birla Foundation Higher Secondary School. Shri Shikshayatan School and Techno India Group Public School, Hooghly. Let's please now welcome our quiz masters, Shamrat Sengupta. I'll just announce the next few schools, the 12 schools that we're going to have on stage now for the next round. Birla High, Moira Street. Delhi Public School, Newtown. MC Kejriwal, Vidyapet. Magnus Global School, Bardhaman. Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar. National High School, Hajra Road. Ruby Park Public School. Sai International Residential School. South Point High School. St. Xavier's Institution, Panihati and Ruya. St. John's Diocesan Girls High School. Techno India Group Public School, Bolpur.
Warm greetings and my best wishes to all the students, teachers, parents and organizers gathered for this wonderful quiz competition. My heartfelt congratulations to ABP for organizing such an inspiring event.
For prelims round 3, we will have Ashok Hall Girls High Secondary School, Vidya Bharati Girls High School, Delhi Public School, Joka, South Kolkata, GD Goenka Public School, Dakshineshwar, Indus Valley World School, Morning Bells Academy High School, National High School, Sharad Ghosh Road Campus, Patho Bhavan, Nankuni, Sai International School, Sri Academy Kolkata, Sushila Birla Girls School and Techno India Group Public School, Siliguri.
My best wishes to all the participants, organizers, teachers and parents in this quiz competition.
So moving on to the first question. So list the Indian states with its correct state birds. Maharashtra, Himalayan monal. Rajasthan, greater flamingo. Uttar Pradesh, house sparrow. Uttarakhand, yellow-footed green pigeon. Gujarat, saras crane. And Bihar, the great Indian bustard. Okay, 10 points for each correct answer. Anybody got a full house for this? Any other teams got a full house for this? Shikshadan got a full house? Brilliant! Could you have a big round of applause for Shikshadan?
The alphabetically list the last 3 state capitals of India. It is Shillong, Shimla and Tiruvananthapuram. You missed on Shillong.
What you see here is a chamor, traditionally procured from the Brokpa community. Now, what is the source of the fluffy part of this whisked? What you get to see on the picture. The tail of a white dog, absolutely correct. Plus 20 for Billahaim. List the last 3 mayors of Kolkata. Okay. Firad Hakim, Shobhan Chatterjee and Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya. These 2 variants of push-ups are nicknamed after different comic book characters. Now from different universes. Identify both. Look at the pictures carefully. I am sure you would be able to work this out as well.
So Spider-Man and Aquaman.
Spider-Man, Aquaman.
Spider-Man and Captain America.
Spider-Man and Captain America.
Batman and Spider-Man.
Batman and Spider-Man.
Superman and Spider-Man.
Superman and Spider-Man. Plus 20 for Morning Bells Academy High School.
MP Birla Foundation, please step up. You got 160. Please step up. Come right in front. Just step up, MP Birla. And following MP Birla is DPS 140. And then we have Ruby Park School 120. And then we have Birla High School 85. National High on 60. Can we have Sri Shikshaitan on 50? You made it. Narrowly missed Ashoka Halls on 45. That's why I checked it with you. But these are the 6 finalists and they're going to fight it out today.
Pteristicus dash is a new form of wasp that was discovered in Rajarhat by professors of Kalyani University and Cairo University. This newly discovered wasp was named after which renowned Bengali author and illustrator who passed away a few years ago. Very prominent. Narayan Devnath plus 20.
According to The Guardian, he is Africa's first great footballer. Who is he? From which country?
The player is Eusebio and he played for Portugal.
Oh, super.
Very good. This is Eusebio and Portugal. Very good answer. So MP Birla Foundation, please step up. And Birla High School, your second. And can we have National, your third. So these are the 3 winning schools of the quiz. Amazing quiz.
Please put your hands together for our second runners-up, National High School, Hajra Road. Now the first runners-up, Birla High School, Moira Street. And finally, our winners, MP Birla Foundation Higher Secondary School. Can we have you on stage? Our first speaker today, please join me in extending a warm welcome to Swami Shantatmananda.
Great Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore said that if you want to know India, study Vivekananda. In him, everything is positive, nothing negative.
Expert speaker for our next segment, JIS Experts Masterclass, presenting to you is someone who has proved that talent is never defined by circumstances. Can I have a warm round of applause as I welcome Padma Shri Anand Kumar on stage now and invite him. मैथ्स से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे डरते क्यों हैं?
मैथमेटिक्स बहुत कठिन नहीं होता। क्या है ना कि हम लोग हर चीज़ों को बच्चों को रटा देते हैं। कहने का मेरा मतलब कि हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स को रटना चाहते हैं, शॉर्टकट में सीखना चाहते हैं, और ये हमारी भी गलती नहीं है, हम लोगों को ऐसे सिखाते ही आया गया है, इसलिए हम लोग इंटरेस्ट लूज कर जाते हैं। मैथमेटिक्स को शुरू से पढ़िए, हाउ एंड वाई के साथ पढ़िए, आपका इंटरेस्ट भी होगा और आने वाले जीवन में आपको बहुत सुविधा होगी।
Please put your hands together, everyone, for Mr. Abhi Chatterjee, our Feluda, our Bomkesh Bokshi, our Shonada, all the detectives. Abhina, can you please address the students?
প্রথমে ধন্যবাদ জানাবো আনন্দবাজার এবং দ্য টেলিগ্রাফকে আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানে আমাকে এখানে নিমন্ত্রণ করার জন্য। তোমাদের এবং বিশেষ করে তোমাদের শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকা এবং বাড়ির বড়রা, অবশ্যই বাবা মা এবং বাকিরা, তারা যেভাবে তোমাদেরকে গাইড করছেন এবং সেই গাইডেন্স নিয়ে তোমরা যেভাবে ভালো ভালো রেজাল্ট করছো, সেজন্য আমরা সবাই ভীষণ খুশি এবং গর্বিত। সো উই লুক ফরওয়ার্ড টু ইউ। সো আই উইশ ইউ অল দ্য বেস্ট। বাট শুধু এটুকুই বলবো, যেটাই তোমাদের করতে ইচ্ছে করছে সেটা ভালোবেসে করো, ব্যাস, দ্যাটস ইট।
Abhi Chatterjee on stage for the felicitation of toppers. Apex Academy Mohishadol, Purbo Medinipur. Ashok Hall Girls Higher Secondary School is Asian International School, Howrah. PGM International, Vidya Bharati Girls High School. Birla High, Mukundapur. Birla High School, Moira Street on stage. Delhi Public School, Joka on stage. Delhi Public Newtown. Delhi Public Ruby Park. Sri Goenka Public School. Gokhale Memorial Girls School. Griffins International School, Kharagpur on stage. Indus Valley World School. KE Carmel School, Amtola. MP Birla Foundation Higher Secondary School. MC Kejriwal Vidyapit. Magnus Global School. Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar. Morning Bells Academy High School. National High School, Hajra Road. National High School, Sharadposh Road. Patho Bhavur, Danpuni. Ruby Park Public School. Sai International Residential School on stage. Shri Shikshayatan School. South Point High School on stage. Sri Academy on stage. St. Xavier's Institution, Panihati and Ruya on stage. St. John's Diocesan Girls High School now. Sushila Birla Girls School. Techno India Group Public School, Bolpur and Thalakata. Techno India Group Public School, Hugli and Navadip. Techno India Group Public School, Siliguri and Jalpaiguri.
How many of you are using AI today?
The AI you have is your companion.
That is the best benefit of actually becoming an entrepreneur and later become an entrepreneur.
We are standing at a historic point where AI is rapidly moving.
What is AI? AI is just a set of algorithms, just, what we look upon.
How AI can be integrated in the curriculum?
Now that AI has allowed us to deliver the classes anywhere and everywhere, so the learning is no more confined to the four walls of a classroom.
AI has entered our classroom more rapidly than any other educational reform.
You are able to grasp and build your fundamental knowledge of engineering, and only after 2 years of engineering you start getting your AI.
So tell me how AI is going to impart values to human beings. It is not possible.
প্রত্যেক ছাত্রছাত্রীর কাছে সমানভাবে সুযোগ পৌঁছে দেওয়া এটা কতটা জরুরি?
আমার মনে হয় এবিপিকে একটা থ্যাংক ইউ বলা খুবই জরুরি। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর অর্গানাইজিং সাচ আ বিউটিফুল ইভেন্ট। বিজনেস তো অনেকই হয়, কিন্তু এডুকেশন, ইটস অলওয়েজ সেড দ্যাট when you sow a seed it becomes a tree and it gives you fruits, but when you educate one child it makes a difference in the society.
একটা সময় ছিল যেখানে বেঙ্গল ওয়াজ আ লিডার ইন দ্য এডুকেশন ইন দ্য কান্ট্রি।
পশ্চিমবাংলাকে সাজাতে হবে ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার, এবং ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচারলি যদি আমি না সাজাতে পারি, আমি যদি শিল্পের ব্যবস্থা না করতে পারি, আমি যদি ছেলেটাকে বোঝাতে না পারি যে আমার এখান থেকে বেরিয়ে তুমি এখানেই চাকরি পাবে, ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত কিন্তু আমি যতই কিছু করি না কেন ছাত্র বাইরে যাবে।
অ্যাজ এডুকেশনিস্ট আমাদের মেন রেসপন্সিবিলিটি হচ্ছে প্রেজেন্ট জেনারেশন অফ স্টুডেন্টকে ঠিকঠাক করে শিক্ষা দেওয়া।
প্রযুক্তিকে, দ্যাট মিনস হাউ ক্যান বি ইউটিলাইজ।
বেশিরভাগ লোকে কিন্তু এআই এর পোটেনশিয়াল 5%ও ইউজ করছে না। এআইকে প্রপারলি ইউজ করলে এআই এর এফিশিয়েন্সি 10 times to 100 times হতে পারে।
AI will actually replace human being, for they will replace those human being who will not embrace AI.
I finished my BA in economics, and I did try to get into all of these management schools. I did not get into anything, but I also realized that my interest was more in media, and I never wanted to be in front of the camera. I did my post-graduation course. It was a year-long diploma in, it's called Social Communication Media.
Right.
All right, okay. Which is advertising, film, television, but all behind the camera. That's what I studied, and honestly, I tell you, it's been 30 years in the business of entertainment. I think it's got everything to do with education. I have my education behind me. It taught me a certain ethic as well, a work ethic. It gives you discipline, it teaches you responsibility, and even now when I have things that come my way and I'm like, okay, I need all my material the night before so I can sit and study. So I'm still studying. I look back at my education and I say I'm working today 30 years in because of it.
Both directors from Asian School of Economics, CEO, Bandhan School of Business, Bhawanipur Global Campus, Director, Institute of Engineering and Management, which is IEM, Chairman, JNMS Educational Hub. From Kingston Educational Institute, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shami Vivekananda University, TEM Management College, Vidyasagar Primary Teachers Training Institute,